Hello dear friends, here is your Virendra. I'm inspired this moment to share with you the ingredients which you practice in life can make you a better person. Fill your life with happiness, joy, success, abundance of health, wealth, intellect and everything else you need to live your life. Dear friends, there have been innumerable great people who have taken the responsibility to motivate people. Napoleon Hill is one of the greatest. He was disciple of Andrew Carnegie, one of the greatest philanthropist, businessman, industrialist, and whose story is nothing but the story of a person from rags to riches. And what Napoleon Hill said once, what a mind can conceive, perceive, believe, the mind can achieve. So for you, there is all abundance, all extravagant, all fortune waiting for you. Simply you have to arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. You have to dream big, you have to dare, and then no success can evade you. As one of the modern greatest scientists, Steve Jobs said, stay hungry, stay foolish. You have to have a deep-rooted desire and daring to do and die, ready to bear all the pain which the success will bring to you, and a very tough mind who never say die, who never say never, who never give up in spite of millions of failures, defeats, debacles. Nothing can stop you. One such great person is Will Smith, the great actor of Hollywood. And history is filled with such great human beings. This moment, I want to share with you what one Socrates tell. I am the wisest and I am the most intelligent person because I know nothing. That is our concept, dear friends. There is no end to knowledge. There is no end to anything on this earth. The more the better. And once you gain so much, you have to give it to the society, to the community, to the people, to the world from where you have received so much. I will share you this moment some of the great philosophy of some great people. Definitely that is going to stimulate our intellect and make this world a smarter planet, a better place to live. The first lesson is, let's believe in ourselves. Let's have faith in our abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in our own power, we cannot be successful or happy. Faith, hope, conviction becomes the power of personality. Crave for a thing, we will get it. Renounce the craving, the object will follow us by itself. Begin to know that we will be hereafter. Be thine own palace or the world's thy jail. It's always our own choice. Let's determine never to be idle. No person will have occasion to complain of the want of time who never loses any. It is wonderful how much may be done if we are always doing. Let's do not weep. Let's do not wax indignant. Let's understand it. Do we want to know who we are? Then we should not ask. Act. Action will delineate and define our greatness. Either we run the day or the day will run us. Even if we fall on our face, we are still moving forward. That should be the courage. That should be the willing, the daring and determination, energy and enthusiasm. Let's expect problems and eat them for the breakfast. Fear cannot be without hope, nor hope without fear. Let's remember, let's be ready to die for noble cause. And fear will be itself a great fear. We should learn to attack fear. If anybody is afraid, coward, he can never be successful in life. We are ready to die anytime. Fear cannot fight against us. It will melt away and it will go away through the window. Let's follow our dreams. Let's work hard. Let's practice and persevere. Let's make sure we eat a variety of foods, get plenty of exercise. Let's maintain a healthy lifestyle, a very well disciplined life, because health is ultimate wealth. And then character. Everything is possible on earth. Let's go big or go home, because it's true. What do we have to lose? I can, therefore I am. We can, therefore we are. This belief and conviction in our own abilities and confidence in our own capabilities. By hard work, everything is possible. With daring and great willpower, we can conquer the earth. Nothing will evade us. Nothing will elude us. Nothing is elusive. Nothing is wonderful. We can achieve everything else on earth. Nothing is esoteric. We can do and dare by hard work. By ready to fail several times, falling several times, but rising every time to the occasion. We don't believe we have to be better than every day. We do not believe we have to be better than anybody else. We believe we have to be better than ourselves, because we have to compete ourselves. We are having control on ourselves. We are the mirror of the world. We have to come out of the comfort zone and try to prove that we are great. A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not by the desire to beat others. Let's act as if what we do makes a difference, and it will do. We must try to set some new ideas, unrealistic ideas. Then the great success will come, which nobody has dreamed about. As Sir Thomas Alva Edison did, as Disney did, all the innovators did, dare to dream big, which was never on the earth. Let's always continue to climb. It is possible for us to do whatever we choose, if we first get to know what we are and are willing to work with a power that is greater than ourselves to do it. Let's always desire to learn something new, something useful, something new inspirational, and something new motivating. Grow, blossom in our strength, in our wisdom, in our intellect, in our physical, mental and spiritual. That's the way to greatness and success. Let's always do our best What we plant now will be harvested later on. Let's be gentle to all, and let's just turn with ourselves. We should demand too much from us. We should not show mercy to us. We should tax ourselves. That is the way. We should be ready to die, as Will Smith said. We should be ready to die. No mercy, no sympathy. Let's be miserable or motivate ourselves. Whatever has been done is not enough. It's always our choice to do something better. Dear friends, what I have shared with you is definitely stimulating me, exciting me, and I'm enjoying this. I think this will also be a great source of inspiration to all of you. I wish you best of luck and wish you great success in life. I am very much indebted and obliged to you for hearing what I am sharing with you. Thanks. May God bless you. Bye from now.